Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. Myself, Bandan Pokhrel, as the presenter for this video. So, as you've already known, that we're going to talk about HTML in this video. So, without any delay, let's move into the video. So, firstly, the topic is what is HTML? The Hypertext Markup Language, or HTML, is a standard markup language for documents designed to be displayed in web browsers. It contains text, images, videos, hyperlinks, and many more that can be displayed on the web. Okay, so firstly, it means that it is a simple and standard markup language which is used to create web pages or in which you guys can include text, images, videos, hyperlinks, and many more things. And let's move on to the next point, which is HTML documents end with .html or .htm extension, which means whenever you create a HTML file, the extension must end with .html or .htm extension, which refers to an HTML document. So next we have a question that is HTML a programming language? So the answer is strictly no. HTML is not a programming language, but it is a simple markup language. And the next thing is how to run HTML. The HTML files can run in our browsers such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or any other browser software on your device. Which means that after you complete your HTML file or save it, then you can simply open it into your browsers. Then what are the major HTML tags? So talking about the main HTML tag, we have HTML starting and ending tag, in between which HTML code is written. And then another tag we have doc type tag, which is the tag which defines the document as a HTML document. Then what are the other HTML tags? Talking about the other HTML tags, there are many tags in which some of them are displayed below. The next thing we have is body tag. The content that we want to display in HTML web page that can be displayed within body tag. And then next we have title tag. Just for an example, you guys need a title for your website, and yeah, that is compulsory for every website. So then you have to use the title tag for that. And then we have list of HTML tags. There we have so many tags in the list where the tags with the red colored are already expired, or you guys can't use this, or we can say that most of the browsers do not accept this kind of tags. So the black colored tags are still usable tags. You guys can use in your documents to make a web page. You guys can pause the video to see the HTML tags and know more about them. Then we're talking about tag attributes. Let's know what is an HTML tag attribute. An HTML tag attribute is a piece of markup language used to adjust the behavior or display of an HTML element. For example, attributes can be used to change the color, size, or functionality of HTML elements. Attributes are used by including them in an opening HTML tag, which means attributes allow the HTML elements to get certain attributes available in the tags. Just for an example, some attributes can allow you to change the color, size, or any other functionality in the tag. And just to add the tag attributes, you guys must have to add the attributes in the starting tag. In the end tag, it is not allowed to add any other attributes. So just for an example, in the below tag, we can see there is a tag name, an attribute name, and attribute value. And after that, there is an end tag. And let's talk about styling in HTML. As we all know that styling means decorating or making something look attractive. How can we do that in HTML? In HTML, we can use attributes for styling. For example, we can change the color of the text using the font attributes. Yes, just I explained before the slide about the tag attributes. We can change the color of any text or any other elements by using the tag attributes. And we have special font tag which we can use to change the font size, color, or any font families. The next point we can use cascading style sets or CSS for best design experience. It can be written between style tag or linked to a file through link tag. Let me explain you guys what is CSS in short. CSS stands for cascading style set, which allows you to design HTML documents easily. This is the modern way of designing the HTML because the font tags and the tag attributes are not much decorative as CSS. So almost every website and web pages use CSS, and this is the best practice. And we can use CSS between the style tags or link through the link tag. And next question is, where is HTML code written? HTML code can be simply written in Notepad or Notepad++, Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text Editor, or any other kind of editors in your device. Or just for an example, just you need to do is create a HTML file with a .html or .html extension. Then you guys can simply write the code in your favorite code editor just as mentioned, and then you can run the code. The best text editor as recommended is Visual Studio Code because I also use Visual Studio Code because it gives us so much functionalities and extensions which make us code very easier, comfortable, and faster. Thank you for today's video. Hope you like it, and please do not forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel.